Hua Marginal do Canal das Hortas.菜園涌邊街. Just walking down the streets of Macau, the beautiful streets of Macau. Canal, das Hortas, streets of Macau. Ooh, walking down lovely Hua Marinel do Canal, das Hortas. Just walking down Hua Marinel do Canal, das Hortas.
Okay, this street right here is called Hua Marginal do Canal das Hortas. We have a cool little restaurant right there. Got some people kind of standing in the street right there. I don't know why they don't go in the sidewalk. And then you have Qingmao border gate right there. And then this is like social housing right here. And then our target street is going to be this one right here. So we're going to walk all the way down, show you what it looks like, and we're going to focus a little bit on this particular building. You'll see a better view of it when we cross the street over there, and then you can get the full context of it. So stay tuned and we'll show you this particular street called Hua Marginal do Canal das Hortas. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's the name of the street, and then right around the corner there's another street called the Hua do Canal das Hortas. And then so basically this area used to be like gardens, and Hortas is like vegetable garden, Canal is canal. So this used to be kind of a rural area with gardens and vegetables that they would grow, and then there used to be a canal in this area as well. And I want to try to capture that building. I want to go across, but I cannot quite yet. We're going to try to capture this building right here, and we're going to try to catch it on that side. And there's like a stream of traffic coming through. Okay, so now we can come around like this, and now you can see it fully. Now you can see what this building looks like. It's all like these small tiny little windows. One giant monolithic building that kind of stretches out almost a full block. I don't know why this building doesn't get more recognition, because it's just so different, so interesting. It's just like one, I don't know, how many stories is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, about 20 stories high. Maybe a little bit more. And there's some shops right at the base as well. And then right over here, these other tall buildings on the other side is part of Toyson, which is another spelling of Taishan. And that's so this side, this name of the street is it's like the Marginal is like waterfront, so this used to be on the waterfront. Canal is canal. So it used to be like water canal coming through it, and there used to be gardens. So Hortas is like vegetable garden. So those are some of the stories of some of the names. And then this area is Toyson is named after Taishan, which is like a little village. Got a lot of community in here. Just kind of walk through. I think they're probably playing Chongqi, Chinese chess. kind of a cool looking part. So yeah, I think they are playing Chongqi. Yeah, so they are playing Chongqi. And now you can see this whole beautiful building right here. So yeah, I think this building is really photogenic. Look at the context of the people in it too, right? It's a bathroom right there. Got a gas station, and I'm going to try to get the context of this building with people. There we go. Massive. Then we have a gas station right to the right there. And I'm just gonna keep on walking down our Target Street. So yeah, kind of an interesting little slice of Macau up here by the border. So yeah, Marginal. There's a lot of names with Marginal. It just means that there was once a waterfront, and then a lot of times they kind of disappear because they keep building more land. And yeah, Toyson right there. Also tall buildings on that side too, right? So yeah, just one big massive building. We'll keep on meandering down. So yeah, kind of interesting. So let me see. There we go. You can kind of get an idea as well. Let me flip this back so we can see where we're coming from. Over there is Zhuhai, China, right over there. So that's that big massive. And you can even see like a little bit of a rooftop, like a Chinese temple looking structure. And that's Zhuhai right there. So those buildings that are straight through these tall buildings here, on the other side, it's Zhuhai, China. So we are very, very close to the border. See a rental bike shop. Piece of cake. They have desserts in some of these places. Kind of popular. We're still going down our street with our tall buildings everywhere. Marginal. And then in here, there's lots of different stuff that you could do, including going up into these little things here. This is called Toyson. So Sidaji, the new city of Toyson, named after a street in Guangdong, named after a town in Guangdong City. And you have the front gate right there. So yeah, new city of Toyson with a entry gate right there. Barrio Tabini Barbosa. Okay, here's that old Coca-Cola one. Taste the feeling. Coke Zero. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking across. We're gonna come to the ending of this one in a few minutes. Here's a little Cheers bar. I'm gonna show off this sign in a second here too. So that's kind of like an Andy Warhol. Some restaurants in here. So that was our Target Street all the way down. That's at Toyson area, and that's our Marginal Canal das Hortas. And then you also have a little you see, I just want to capture this because that's kind of cool. Parma ham pizza. It's like an Andy Warhol, American art. Okay, so we're going to come to an ending shortly for our street here. So kind of get another idea of the richness of Macau. If I did go up there, I could get some nice views up at the top. I might actually do that. Actually, that's like one of the nicest ways to come up into the Speaker Street is through that up there. So we're going to go down our boulevard there. And then we're gonna go up over here. And then in a minute we're gonna be going down that way, down that one. Now you can kind of see a little bit of context of our street down there as well. So yeah, this whole area has tons of tall buildings everywhere. Check out that rooftop up there. You can see like some of the plants up there as well. Okay, so this particular street, I believe our street would have ended, but it might go down a little bit further. Then yeah, from up here you can see the context of everything. Yeah, if you come down here, it's kind of mesmerizing, to be honest. And we're gonna end our video shortly, but I just want to capture the feeling of this. Because yeah, when you come down, and you can also kind of walk along those tall buildings here. And then you overlook this one, you can go into here, like this, into this Toyson. All those tall buildings there. And then you also have all the tall buildings here, like our Target street right here. Pretty interesting. Okay, so we're gonna be coming to an end of our video in a moment. One thing I'm not 100% sure about, I don't know if our street continues. I think that's a different street right over there, but I'm not 100% sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk down that way and we'll just kind of see. But it does give you the context of kind of the beauty of the street, all the tall buildings everywhere, just the kind of nature it gives. And you can also see the rooftop up there, some birds up there even as well. And the border is right there. So that's all the border. Let me kind of keep on going down. Let us see here. So this street, I think this changes to a different street name. Oh no, it continues. So Hua Marinel du Canal das Hortas. So that actually continues. So actually that was good. So we're still giving the context of our street, still letting you see what it looks like. Somebody moving with some boxes here. Okay. There's a bunch of illegally parked motorcycles. Okay, so our road's gonna just go up just a little bit further, and then we're gonna come to an end. Right over there, these are really close to the border right here. Those are Vatai. Okay, and I believe our street's gonna end right up here. So that was all kind of our Target street all the way down. Oops, I was gonna move out of his way, but. And then right up here, you're gonna see all this pedestrian traffic. And then that is pedestrian traffic that goes all the way to the border. Oh, there we go. They're trying to get those boxes up the hill, so they're trying to push it as fast as they can to get them up the hill. We're gonna go just a tiny bit further because I'm gonna try to capture this pedestrian street, and then I'm gonna end the video. So this pedestrian street right here is all people going to the border. Huh. Just kind of walk in like that. So yeah, this is all usually quite pedestrian. For some reason there's some vehicles in here today. So yeah, kind of gives you an idea of what Macau looks like anyways. And I guess we're gonna come to an ending. Usually the vehicles are not in here. Today it's like a traffic jam in this pedestrian street. But anyways, that's the border up there. Now you can see it more clearly. Okay. So there you go. This is the Macau there. And the Zhuhai border, you can walk across straight ahead.